G'day, Pete Techman Coman here at CES 2020 in Las Vegas, and there's lots of fascinating toys, technology, gadgets on display as always, and this is no exception. This is a pet scale, so it's actually, you can put whatever bed you want on there. So this is just a scale, and you can measure if your dog or your pet, doesn't have to be a dog, but your pet is putting on too much weight. And of course there's an app available which tells you, which monitors your pet's weight, and it keeps track of it. So another cool, interesting product, and it's from a company called Hodoo. So you can check them out, myhodoo, HODOO.com.